Hi, and welcome to another Adler Wave analysis. Today I want to talk about Apple, the stock, and I want to showcase why I think that Apple has reached the high price maybe of all time, right? It has a phenomenal run since the financial crisis all the way to the price of nearly $200. And today, mainly, I'll be using Adler Wave analysis and Fibonacci extension to showcase why I think that the recent price run up here to nearly $200 is the end of the price move and it wouldn't go further, right? So let's look at the Elliott wave first. Okay, zooming out, we look at the big picture. Okay, we don't go all the way back. Okay, because over here, if we zoom in, there's just too many analyses to do. So what happens is that it's important to note where we will start, and we need a logical point, right? So the 2019 January, right, would be a logical point to start, right? And we can see that I've drawn, if I zoom in here, just looking at this wave up, right, you can see one, two, right, and then three, four, five. So this is another one, two, three, four, five, right? How would I make the first note on whether I'm correct is using Fibonacci extension. So this wave one is equals to wave five, right? So this is a quick way to confirm whether our analysis is potentially correct. And just assume that I am, right? And we have a one, two, right? And then look at this, which I draw a three, right? And then four and a five. Okay. So this will also be confirmed by Fibonacci. So if I use this, you can see that wave 3 is definitely more than wave 1. As for wave 5, is also more than wave 1, and both are actually slightly more than 1.618 of wave 1. Okay, so after this end of wave 3, right, this is a classic wave 4, right, where it looks more like a flat. So this is a very long correction, and it's a combination which is a WX, Y, XZ. And what is important now is to look at this wave up starting from last year December, right? You can take it as the start of 2023. Okay, so 2023 we note a few things, right? So let me remove this first and zoom in on this period of 2023. The entire year we see a clear wave, five wave up. This is wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. Wave four happens to be a triangle, right? And then wave five. And wave 5 also happens to be 5 wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the nice thing about Apple, right, is that when it's correct, right, the wave 4 are actually quite obvious, right? So this wave 4 is behaving like a flat, and this wave 4 behave like a triangle, right? Now, this last wave 5 up is quite interesting in the sense that it has a few Fibonacci levels that we can consider. The first one is the wave 1, right, which is the blue Fibonacci here. Wave 1, and if you study it to confirm that this is wave 3, because wave 3 is 1.618 of wave 1. And when you move this wave up, you can see that it's slightly above one time of wave 1, this wave 5. Right, so this is one place that gives us confidence that the wave up has ended. The next thing we can see is this, where I draw the wave, this minor wave 1, right? This minor wave 1, right? The first thing we need to do is to make sure that wave 3 is not shortest, and wave 3 is actually 1.618 of wave 1. And if we pull back up, what is wave 5? Wave 5 is almost exactly one time of wave 1. So we keep this red one, and then we move back the blue one, right? So there's 2 points of resistance, right? Now, look at the green one, this green Fibonacci, right, where the wavefront starts 1st Jan 2019 all the way to February 2020. It's slightly more than 1 year. We project this on wave 5. So it's interesting to note that this is also 1.618 of wave 1, right? And it has this resistance around this price point, or around 199 to $200, right? And it also fulfills the criteria where wave 5 actually already exceed wave 3, so there is no truncation over here. It has met its target. So this is where I think we have seen the move up of Apple. Thank you.